Hello, today we will guide you through how to request multiple signatures in Adobe Sign. We'll walk through preparing a document online in Adobe Acrobat so more than one person can sign it. The process is straightforward. We'll open the eSign tools, choose a file, add multiple recipients, and place signature fields exactly where they belong on the form. Along the way, I'll point out simple tips to keep everything clear and accurate. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat Home in your browser. Once you're on the home page, look for the eSign section. Click eSign to open the set of tools designed for sending documents out for electronic signatures. This brings you into the workflow where you can upload a file and prepare it for your signers. Next, click Select a File for Request eSignatures. You can browse your computer to find the document you want to send. Choose your sample or final file and confirm your selection. After your file is selected, click Continue. This action loads the document in the preparation view, where you'll specify who needs to sign and where those signatures should go. A quick tip here, use a clearly named file so recipients immediately recognize what they're signing. Now add your signers. Click into the email field and enter the first signer's email address. Take a moment to double check spelling. Small typos can delay the process. To request multiple signatures, enter another email address for the second signer in the next available recipient field. Repeat this for as many signers as needed. If your workflow depends on order, enter the recipients in the sequence you prefer, and keep your message short and clear so everyone understands their role. With recipients set, it's time to place the signature fields. Select the eSignature field tool from the right side or top toolbar. Then look over your form to find the exact spot where a signature is required. For example, near a signature line at the end of the document. Click on the form to place the signature field. If necessary, drag the field to fine-tune its position and resize it so it fits neatly. Make sure each signature field is assigned to the correct recipient. You'll typically see a color or name indicator that shows who that field belongs to. If more than one person must sign, place a separate signature field for each signer in the appropriate locations. That's it. You've selected your file, added multiple recipients, and placed signature fields where they're needed. Once everything looks right, you're ready to proceed and finish the request.